Hi, Virginia. Here
Hi,
we are
Denise.
today. Yes. Okay, come
How
on.
are you? How are
Well,
you?
thank you. How about yourself?
Long time. We didn't meet. Long time, but well, it's important, once in a while to share information with our people.
Yes.
Let me start with buyers because nowadays we know
Yes.
we got a better rates.
Better.
Rates went down,
Mm-hmm.
so that's something that people have been expecting.
Yeah. Inventory's been going up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
And our experts that we like to follow are telling us that we're back to 2019 pre-pandemic levels for inventory and the way the market is moving.
Yeah, so that's a relief, because people were a little concerned in 2025 about the rates.
Mm-hmm.
So we know, like we talked before, about programs that obviously help people.
Yes.
But sometimes that's the issue, some buyers are a little tight with money.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely.
So there is when we come in and start negotiating.
You're right. And with this market being more normal,
Yeah, stable.
it's stable. The artificial market that we had, it's a good thing that we're in a better place for buyers and for sellers.
Yeah, on both sides.
Buyers
on
and
both
sellers.
sides.
Yeah, absolutely. So negotiation is good. So buyers, you can be optimistic. The rates are coming down. We don't expect the rates to go back to where they were during the pandemic. That was a perfect storm. And so, unfortunately, we're back to normal rates, really.
Yeah.
And so, is that what you would say? Yeah.
Yeah, because people still feel that, oh no, the rates were 3. I sold the property at 2.65% rate for 30 years, and we knew that was something by the moment. It was not gonna last.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we always get our reports and our updates, and we confirm that we knew it was an artificial, way to deal with the market to avoid things to get worse because of the pandemic. But it still is good because properties are staying longer on the market. We still have more time to negotiate.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there's no overbidding like before.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, but that means more benefits for the buyers.
Yeah. We don't have to worry about being asked to remove the appraisal contingency and the offer.
Or termite
loan contingencies. You can get a reasonable amount of time to do your inspections on the property.
Something else, because sometimes the seller say, well, okay, no repairs requested, we are not going to accept anything. Buyers still could complete their inspections, but obviously nothing to negotiate even on that particular topic. So, but something else, we always want to explain people, especially for buyers, that sometimes they are a little concerned because of the money, obviously, the monthly payment. But don't forget that whenever you purchase a property, 99% of the time in the monthly payment, you're going to have everything included except the bills. It means you're going to pay the principal, you're going to pay the interest, mortgage insurance, depending on the program and on your down payment, and property taxes. So don't forget and think that is nothing else, because people think when they see the amount, oh, it's a lot. Yeah, I know, but don't forget this covers all these items. And something else, we always negotiate and include for buyers a home warranty. So you can be, covered for a first year. The seller pays for that, and you have some peace of mind for special problems that could come up in your first year, because nobody has control and nobody knows completely, even though the inspector gives you a really good report.
Right.
But don't forget that nobody's going to open the walls to see what's inside. So sometimes it happened to me, a roof leak, sometimes a problem with electricity, even piping. I had only one situation that my buyer didn't want to pay for the home inspection because he said, no, I'm going to inspect the property myself. He went into the attic, he went under the house on the crawl space, and guess what? About 9 months after he purchased the house, it was such a mess with the piping, and he learned.
Yes.
unfortunately,
Mhm.
through that experience.
No, home inspection and home warranties are
Oh, yeah.
definitely
Mandatory.
two beneficial.
They are not really mandatory like the appraisal that
Mhm.
the bank is going to make you pay.
Mhm.
Otherwise, you don't get the loan. But we encourage people to pay that extra amount of money because it's peace of mind. Okay. So, well, always here on something else. Don't forget, I offer this free information about credit.
Mhm.
So if you're having some credit issues,
Mhm.
especially if you're planning to buy, call me, text me. I can mail you out these, or even send it to you by email.
Mhm.
What about you?
Yeah, absolutely. Virginia and I both work together, and we offer some credit support.
Yeah, free consultation to help you if you still need to fix your credit to be ready to buy your house. So
Yes.
again, you can call us 323-717-5167 and
310-614-7669. Denise Waters and
Virginia Casano. See you next time. Thank you.
thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.